Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, black color and yellow ochre color. Kids, now you draw A and use blue color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, T for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for God, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J, the alphabets of J, and use red color. J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R, the alphabets of R, and use yellow color. R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for van, W for wheel, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.